Kilala mo? Ano sabi mo? Kanino ka? Hello? Hello?
Relax lang. Yung sinabi ko, jump straight.
Sige ka na!
Jump straight.
Sige ka na! Oh! Up, up, up! 8, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Kaya pa! Kaya pa!
Ingat, ingat. Relax, relax, relax. Laki yan eh.
Alin? Sige!
Sige, pagwarin mo lang. Wala mo siya. Yung ginawa mo sa akin.
Alaman, alaman.
Sige, yan. Break, 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 break. Wait ulit. 1, 2, 3,
Kaya pa!
6, 7, 8. Kaya ba?
Kaya pa!
Box!
Sige, pagkurin mo lang. Tama yan. Pagkurin mo. Hindi yan tatakal.
Sige, wild! Wild punch!
Go!
Sige!
Break, break, break.
Ha! Sige! Jab! 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 Ha! Pero hindi yung pagbagsak.
Dapat nakuhaan mo.
Ano lang. Slow. Jab lang. Jab. Jab straight. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Break, 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 break. Box!
Lock dati. Nalubong yung
Straight ba? Straight sa panga?
panga.
Panga ba? Ayun, nakatalikod ka sa akin. Hindi ko nakita. Oh! Oh! Woo!
5,
Nice.
6, 7, 8. Kaya ba?
Kaya pa! Kaya pa!
Box, box.
Sige, tama yan. Pagkurin mo.
Yeah!
Break, 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 break.
Hop!
Break.
Hey bro, what can you say?
Yeah, that's a very good fight.
I know.
Yeah,
You saw the knockout? Did you saw it?
I saw the knockout. It's very good. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Go.
When can we see you fight?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I cannot fight today because I'm not ready to fight today. I finished training already.
Oh, are you ready for UKC? You're gonna join
Of
UKC?
course, yeah, I do.
That's good.
Ilan 3 round daw?
3 rounds.
Okay. Okay. Game sa to.
2.
Okay.
Coach Jun. Coach Jun, ano masasabi mo, Coach Jun?
Wala naman. Magandang panoorin sila dahil alam mo naman mga gwapo rin yung katulad natin.
Ah, tama.
Tapos, tulak mo na.